champ is here. The 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 champ is here.
Rocky Mountain High, Colorado. Rocky Mountain High, Colorado.
I am Cat Zingano. I am a UFC fighter from Broomfield, Colorado, and I am a fighter.
Yeah, just waking up in the morning and to be well. Quite honest with you, I ain't really sleep well. You ever feel like your train of thought's been derailed? That's when you press on, lean in. Half the population just waiting to see me fail. Yeah, right, you better off trying to freeze well. Some of us do it for the females, and others do it for the retail. But I do it for the kids, life through the time we're in on. Every time you fall, it's only making your chin strong. And I'll be in your corner like Mick, baby, till the end. And when you hear a song from that big lady, until the referee rings the bell, until both your eyes start to swell, until the crowd goes home. What we gonna do, y'all?
Give 'em scars, turn their heads. Gonna live life till we're dead. Give me scars, give me pain. Then they'll say of me, say of me, say of me. There goes a fighter. There goes a fighter. Here comes a fighter. That's what they say of me, say of me, say of me. This one's a fighter.
And if I could last 30 rounds, there's no reason you should ever have your head down. 6'5", 220 pounds. Hailing from rock bottom, Loserville, nothing town. Textbook version of a kid going nowhere fast. And now I'm yelling, kiss my ass. It's gonna take a couple right hooks, a few left jabs, for you to recognize you really ain't got it bad. Until the referee rings the bell, until both your eyes start to swell, until the crowd goes home. What we gonna do, y'all?
Give 'em scars, turn their heads. Gonna live life till we're dead. Give me scars, give me pain. Then they'll say of me, say of me, say of me. There goes a fighter.
The sushi rules the world version. You ready? Let's go. I got an all-star lineup for y'all, right?
It's 32.
But I'ma start off in Atlanta, Georgia.
You know I got you.
We gonna give you some new blood. Diamond, holla at 'em, baby.
Ride or die chick with a pocket full of relish.
Hey.
Jimmy Choo fetish, keep me fresh like lettuce. Since you get jealous, cause I'm quite cocky. Since 14, ain't now. Stop me. Money, I get it on the tracks, I spit it. That's why the credit cards don't come with no limits. Y'all just don't get it. A crib with no tenants. Walk through closets like I'm walking out of linen. That's swagger on the 100,000 trillion. Roll with bad bitches and they all look Brazilian. These ass again, they leave me. I swear they can't leave me. Ass so bad and the bliss is like Fiji. Diamond.
We gonna take it from the hood of Atlanta, Georgia, down to the hoods of Miami, Florida.